Welcome to Car Og 765, the channel where passion meets performance, and every classic car tells a story of elegance, power, and innovation. If you love exploring the golden era of automotive design and engineering, then you're in the right place. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notifications, so you never miss a journey into the past with us. Today, we're going back to the early 1950s to talk about a true symbol of American craftsmanship, the 1950 Buick Riviera. This car wasn't just a mode of transport, it was a piece of art on wheels, representing style, power, and prestige in post-war America. The Riviera name alone became synonymous with luxury and innovation, and the 1950 model was the beginning of something special for Buick's legacy. The 1950 Buick Riviera came at a time when the American automobile industry was booming. People wanted cars that looked classy but also performed with confidence on the open road. Buick understood that desire perfectly. The Riviera was built for the driver who wanted more than just a car, it was for those who wanted an experience, something that turned heads wherever it went. When you first lay eyes on the 1950 Buick Riviera, you immediately notice its smooth, flowing lines. The car's body was curvy yet balanced, reflecting the aircraft-inspired design trends of its time. The chrome detailing across the grille and bumpers added a sense of boldness and luxury. The signature, sweep spear, line running across the body became one of Buick's most iconic design features, symbolizing motion even when the car was standing still. Under the hood, the 1950 Riviera packed serious performance. It featured Buick's Fireball straight-8 engine, a powertrain known for its smoothness and reliability. It produced around 120 horsepower, which was impressive for that era. The engine was paired with Buick's Dynaflow automatic transmission, one of the earliest fully automatic systems in the world, offering an effortless and silky driving experience. This combination gave the Riviera a unique edge in performance and comfort, making it one of the most enjoyable luxury cars of its time. Inside, the Riviera was just as remarkable. Buick focused heavily on comfort and craftsmanship. The interior was designed with premium materials, spacious seating, and chrome accents that gave it a truly upscale feel. The dashboard layout was clean and elegant, with large, easy-to-read gauges and a stylish steering wheel that made the driver feel in control of something truly refined. This was a car built for people who appreciated the finer things in life. Driving the 1950 Buick Riviera was pure pleasure. It glided over the road with confidence and stability. The suspension system was soft and smooth, soaking up bumps with ease, while the wide wheelbase provided excellent balance. This made long-distance travel more comfortable than ever before. It was the kind of car you'd take on a Sunday drive just to enjoy the feeling of the open road. The 1950 Riviera also reflected the optimism of post-war America. It was about moving forward with style and sophistication. Buick marketed it as a car that represented success and ambition, and it quickly became a favorite among professionals and celebrities of the era. It was elegant but not too flashy, luxurious yet reliable, the perfect blend that appealed to America's growing middle and upper class. Today, the 1950 Buick Riviera stands as a timeless classic. Collectors and enthusiasts cherish it not only for its beauty but also for what it represents, the spirit of innovation, craftsmanship, and pride in American automotive history. Whether seen at a car show or on the road, it captures attention and admiration from every generation. So, if you ever come across a 1950 Buick Riviera, take a moment to appreciate its design, its sound, and its story. It's more than just a car, it's a piece of living history. This is Car Og 765, bringing you the stories behind the world's most iconic cars. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more classic car content. Stay tuned, because every car has a story, and we love telling them right here on Car Og 765.